Hey, to check mobile data and the Wi-Fi usage on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, you have to just go into the settings, and now from this you have to select connections. From this you have to move into the data usage, and first if you want to check the mobile data, just click here for the mobile data usage, and you can actually check which application is actually taking the most mobile data. So in my case it's actually the Google Chrome. And when you click right here, you can actually check the other dates, the other days, weeks or months. I'm using this phone for like 2 days, so that's the reason why I cannot move forward or backward. And when you click on the settings icon, you can also change some other settings, and that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my... Oh, I just forgot. We have to also check the Wi-Fi. So when you go back from the mobile data, there's also the Wi-Fi data usage. And it looks actually the same like with the mobile data. So as you can see in my case, the Google Chrome is actually taking the most of my Wi-Fi network. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.